Most people who come to work with me are in a place, or couples who seek therapy, counseling, or relationship coaching. They're wondering how to save their relationship. And from a research perspective, there's a multitude of things, and context is everything. But if I'm being really general about how do you save your marriage, we could talk about learning that communication isn't just words or hearing somebody. It's actually the ability to listen to someone and share with them what you've heard. So translating back to your partner what you've heard, showing empathy and care for your partner's perspective, even if you don't agree or if you disagree, and learning how to then ask questions so that both of you can create what we call attunement. And attunement is a fancy research term for showing compassion and empathy and creating connection. Attunement, in simple terms, is defined as that feeling of being known. When both people in a relationship feel known, then they will save their relationship and they will do great. When we don't feel known, or where we feel like our communication is off, a lot of times that's a problem because we do not feel attuned or connected to our partner. The other tip that I can give you about saving your relationship is prioritize your partnership. If you have children, you run a business, or you're an employee, make sure to create time to prioritize your relationship. Sometimes couples will come in and feel like their relationship is doomed, and all they really need to start doing is scheduling time to check in about their day, taking time to create dates, and taking time to have novel experiences with each other, creating time to connect and have new experiences. And sometimes that's all it takes as well.